Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. Today we'll show you how to create a task for the Massey Ferguson Ideal Combine. This guide is for vehicles with the Task Dock or Task Dock Pro option. If you're unsure about your combine setup, contact your dealer. There are two ways to start a task: by creating a new task or by receiving a task sent through the server to the Ideal Combine. In this video, we'll focus on creating a new task. First, go to the Task Dock landing page and click on Task Area to start a new task. It's better to be at the field border before you begin. On Task page, click on Plus to create new task, give it a name, and then press the Validation button to confirm. Make sure the task you've just created is selected from the list, and validate once again. Ensure the correct header is selected before creating the task. Then click Validate. At this point, you'll see that both the combine and the header are linked to your new task. You can add additional information by clicking on the Add button. We recommend including at least the field, farm, or customer and crop details. Then click Validate to confirm. To add a new field, click the Plus button and name it accordingly. Or select an existing field from the list. Once you've added all necessary information, click the Record button to start recording the task in the field. The status will show as On, indicating that recording is active. To check the live counters at any time, simply click the Task Dock button twice, then click the Combine Calculator button. There are 10 different counters. To activate one, toggle the button in the top right corner, which will turn blue. Select the Task Controller counter to display the current task data. To exit the counter menu, click the Return button. If you turn off the machine, your task will pause automatically. To resume recording, go to the task page and press the Record button again. You can pause the task recording whenever needed by clicking the Pause button. When the task is complete, click the Save button to close it. A pop-up will show details, such as the total harvested area and fuel consumption. Please note, once your task is marked as completed and saved, you will not be able to record any additional data for that task. To finalize, click the Validation button to save the task. This task will be stored in the terminal, and you can use a USB stick to export it to your Farm Management Information System. If you're using Task Dock Pro, the task will be automatically sent to the FMIS. And that's it. Your task is now successfully saved and ready for use. Now it's your turn to try.